I wish all the students best of luck for lots of learning and lots of fun. May you have a day full of excitement. All the very best to you.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try.
I watch the news. Top headlines read, the country is at a precipice as demonstrations aggravate. I see them march towards a demand. They march to seize that one promise that was printed in the constitution but torn off by the ignorant.
There's a lot of creativity that you can see in children, and there's so many questions that they have that they want to ask and share. The only thing is, use your own identity, use your own imagination. When we talk, so it's a lovely concept of hope, light, and there's one more that I have written it down here. Positivity. Now, each one of us will have a different interpretation of those words. Look at your own interpretation. Don't go by what the others are thinking about.
We cannot fully convince with the nature study. The nature is changing, and our one-time lifetime age is not sufficient to observe all the changes which is taking place. For example, this corona pandemic, how it is the virus is changing from person to person. It is giving a real challenge to the medical world, whole medical world.
The Trinamool Congress, led by Mamta Di, has 22 MPs in Lok Sabha, and the 9 women MPs, including my colleague Mimi Chakraborty, account for 41% of our strength in the lower house. This is more than 33% reservation which the bill calls for.
To our next speaker, who is Smriti Irani.
Thank you. I would like to bring in notice that this reservation may empower women or encourage women to come and participate in the Lok Sabha. But we need to make sure we make an environment where the women are comfortable and empowered enough to speak up. To highlight, there was an event where Samajwadi Party's Azam Khan had spoken derogatively towards the Madam Speaker.
I felt quite lucky to be part of this little phenomenon of listening to young voices. So, like while discussing, our topic, I also mentioned Black Lives Matter.
A viable solution that I would recommend for Sheldon Cooper would be family therapy, as I think it would help his father, George Cooper, who had a very dysfunctional relationship with Sheldon. So that would help him understand Sheldon a lot better. Because in this series, young Sheldon, he repeatedly tells Mary Cooper that I don't know how to connect with this boy, compared to how he connects with George's elder brother, Georgie Cooper. So because he had a relationship with him of football or with Missy of baseball. But Sheldon was not interested in sports, so it became difficult for him to connect.
You brought up that, he sensory processing, because he had an issue with dust and he would keep thinking, you told me about allergies that and he would have, so sensory processing would be with, letting him feel that over his hand and how it affects him and the emotions, and but really bringing out the senses.
गौरा की चातुरी चली, राणा के बंधन काटे, छाट छाट कर शाही पहरेदारों के सर काटे, लिपट गए गौरा से राणा, गलती पर पछताए, मेरा पति की नमक हलाली देख नयन भर आए।
मानव से जुड़ी हुई हर एक वो विधा जिसमें कि इतिहास के पन्नों को पलटा जाता है और अंदर के कुछ मनोवैज्ञानिक धाराओं को भी छुआ जाता है, तो मैं सभी प्रतिभागियों को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और खूब मजे लो। ये मजे की चीज है, मजे के बिना कुछ भी जो है वो अधूरा है। और आप सबको मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहूंगी कि बच्चों को आपने ये अनुभव कराया। थैंक यू।
महाभारत एक दास्तान है, क्रोध, अहंकार और लालच की। इस दास्तान गोई में हम जानेंगे महाभारत के उस अहम किस्से के बारे में जो पांडव और कौरवों के बीच शांति का सेतु भी बन सकता था, लेकिन इस किस्से ने महायुद्ध का आरंभ करवाया।
निंदन्तु नीति निपुणाः यदि वास्तु बन्तु
लक्ष्मी सदा विशतु गच्छतु वा यथेष्टम्
अद्यैव वा मरणमस्तु युगान्तरे वा
न्यायात् पतः प्रविचलन्ति पदं न धीरा.
Let me ask you this question. How often have you heard that you can build your own furniture? And it's not just that, it's also environment friendly.
And we will also be updating catalogs there for people to get an idea of what all could they create with the blocks, what sort of furniture could they make with the blocks. Another strategy is that we'll be appealing to settled audiences. Since we've already emphasized on how this activity is good for family bonding, we would probably be appealing to families with or without children, and maybe the millennial audience or the people who are just starting out with, starting out in the real world, as it is also very cost effective.
The first answer on the chat, whichever appears on the chat first, the first correct answer will be given points. That house will be given points.
I'll tell you what this exterior hat is. Exterior hat. We're made out of a circle and a dome. No, but it is not Mughlai. It is of course Angrezi. Angrezi hat. आइए सब खरीदिए. ये अंग्रेजी हैट है. आप इसको वर्टिकल पहन सकते हैं, आप इसको हॉरिजॉन्टल पहन सकते हैं, आप इसको 360 डिग्रीज भी पहन सकते हैं.
Parallel noodles by the crazed noodlies. Slop into our yummy parallel noodles.
Our noodles are as parallel as the line segments in the equal to sign.
Your energy will be raised to the power 1000.
So it is my pleasure for the senior school to announce the house that won, in collaboration across all campuses of course, to be Leopard House. So well done to you.
But just before you go, SNSites, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let's take a trip down our memory lane.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं.